I think Tom should do that outside. I think Tom should do that outside. I knew Tom wouldn't likely do that. I knew Tom wouldn't likely do that. I hope Tom doesn't do that anymore. I hope Tom doesn't do that anymore. I can't believe Tom didn't do that. I can't believe Tom didn't do that. Has Tom actually agreed to do that? Has Tom actually agreed to do that? Tom will do that tomorrow for sure. Tom will do that tomorrow for sure. Tom still hasn't agreed to do that. Tom still hasn't agreed to do that. Tom should really agree to do that. Tom should really agree to do that. Tom is unlikely to do that anymore. Tom is unlikely to do that anymore. Tom has probably agreed to do that. Tom has probably agreed to do that. Tom didn't do that very many times. Tom didn't do that very many times. Tom claimed that he didn't do that. Tom claimed that he didn't do that. Tom and I didn't do that yesterday. Tom and I didn't do that yesterday. Tom swore he wouldn't ever do that. Tom swore he wouldn't ever do that. Tom has already started to do that. Tom has already started to do that. Tom will do that tomorrow, I think. Tom will do that tomorrow, I think. Tom is going to eventually do that. Tom is going to eventually do that. I'm not really planning to do that. I'm not really planning to do that. I'm not sure anybody would do that. I'm not sure anybody would do that. Tom was very determined to do that. Tom was very determined to do that. Tom thought he could do that again. Tom thought he could do that again. Tom will do that right after lunch. Tom will do that right after lunch. Make sure that Tom doesn't do that. Make sure that Tom doesn't do that. I seriously doubt Tom will do that. I seriously doubt Tom will do that. I really thought Tom would do that. I really thought Tom would do that. Are you sure Tom shouldn't do that? Are you sure Tom shouldn't do that? Are you convinced Tom will do that? Are you convinced Tom will do that? Tom doesn't seem willing to do that. Tom doesn't seem willing to do that. Nobody except Tom agreed to do that. Nobody except Tom agreed to do that. Perhaps Tom should agree to do that. Perhaps Tom should agree to do that. Perhaps Tom didn't agree to do that. Perhaps Tom didn't agree to do that. I'm sure Tom will do that carefully. I'm sure Tom will do that carefully. I thought that Tom wouldn't do that. I thought that Tom wouldn't do that. I certainly hope Tom didn't do that. I certainly hope Tom didn't do that. Tom wouldn't have agreed to do that. Tom wouldn't have agreed to do that. Tom will certainly agree to do that. Tom will certainly agree to do that. Tom wasn't told he couldn't do that. Tom wasn't told he couldn't do that. Tom shouldn't need to do that again. Tom shouldn't need to do that again. Tom said we shouldn't do that again. Tom said we shouldn't do that again. Tom said that he'd do that tomorrow. Tom said that he'd do that tomorrow. Tom really didn't do that very well. Tom really didn't do that very well. Tom probably didn't mean to do that. Tom probably didn't mean to do that. Tom ought to do that sometime today. Tom ought to do that sometime today. Tom needs to do that sometime today. Tom needs to do that sometime today. Tom isn't likely to do that anymore. Tom isn't likely to do that anymore. Tom insisted that he didn't do that. Tom insisted that he didn't do that. Tom doesn't always do that way. Tom doesn't always do that way. Tom didn't seem hesitant to do that. Tom didn't seem hesitant to do that. Tom admitted that he didn't do that. Tom admitted that he didn't do that. Tom and Mary can do that themselves. Tom and Mary can do that themselves.